Data is the lifeblood of any company. Every click, purchase, and customer interaction generates data. And today, more and more companies choose to store data in the cloud as they migrate to modern cloud data warehouses. Cloud data warehouses offer businesses security, performance, and the ability to instantly scale compute up or down to meet real-time demand, unlike the on-premises data centers of the past, reducing costs and saving resources. But storage is just one part of the equation. What good is all that performance if you can't use it to inform decisions? That's where Cloud BI comes in. Unlike legacy BI solutions, Cloud BI is built for the cloud from the ground up. Cloud BI takes full advantage of the concurrency, flexibility, and efficiency of modern cloud data warehouses, delivering real-time insights, greater accessibility, and a centralized source of data truth. With a Cloud BI solution, you can access data in the warehouse, where it's live, fresh, and secure. So you never have to extract data and can analyze billions of rows of data in seconds thanks to the infinite compute power of the cloud, meaning no query is off limits. Cloud BI also offers unparalleled access to data via user-friendly web interfaces, making it easy for anyone in an organization to join the conversation and collaborate in the data discovery process. The cloud has reinvented BI, closing the gap between the business experts and the data team, eliminating the reliance on tools that are difficult to use, require months of setup, and constant upkeep. Cloud BI is changing the way companies interact with data and inform decisions. If your data lives in the cloud, shouldn't your BI solution? Learn more at sigmacomputing.com.